Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to add user in Shopify store. Right now, as you can see, we are into admin dashboard. We need to add user for getting our few tasks done, right? So we will simply click on settings, then users, okay, and from here you can simply click on add user, right? You can see role wise you can filter the users, right? And let's check out all the option. Okay, now click on add users. Okay, here you can mention the email id whom you want to add, right? And here you can simply select the role like a store manager, sales associate, app developer, boss. Okay, so whatever the role you want to assign, you can assign those kind of access to your Shopify store to that particular role, right? For example, I just want to add a marketeer, so I will simply select a marketeer or online store editor. I can give access of any level, right? So here we have selected online store editor. So as you can see, these access would be given to that particular person, right? You just need to mention the email id and you just need to select the role and then simply click on save. Generally this access kind of thing is available in the paid plan, right? So like after 3 months, or you can simply upgrade your plan. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.